Good morning. Two definition of what the of protection, the intellectual property of the software. Software is intangible asset that can generate profit in the future are represented by copying, which is an independent economic unit that protection al original intellectual creation. The patent protection of software, the protection of the software patent is affected from the moment the superintendence of industrial and commerce grant the registration of the invention. The protection of the program is invalid for 20 years. The software considered a liberty word in terms of its protection and the protect the order competing. Conclusion in my two preparatory negotiation of the technological assets in the importation and to propose and quit a technological evaluation system that allows the protect to build both invest and competitive compared to other companies dedicated to the same. Thank you.